I am Krishnamurthy, Vice President and Regional Manager, Star Union Daiichi Life Insurance Company, Chennai. It's a very special day today for us. We are launching a new product, the Defined Benefit Endowment Plan, and we have gathered here to launch the product in Hyderabad. As you know, Star Union Daiichi Life Insurance Company is a company promoted by three giants, Bank of India, Union Bank of India, and Daiichi Life Insurance of Japan. All these three companies are having more than 100 years of experience and existence in the financial insurance service sector. And this is a company which has been in existence in India for the last over 18 months and doing business in the life insurance sector. As you know, there were recently a lot of changes in the regulatory environment of life insurance business from the IRDA. And in keeping with that, we have today introduced a combo product compliant to the new guidelines of IRDA. And this product, the Defined Benefit Endowment Plan, is a very customer-friendly plan, which is a combo product which combines, you can call money back or pension or investment with a life cover. And for example, a person who wants to receive a certain amount of money after a certain amount of years, he can pay a premium today. Either he can make a single premium or an annual premium or a monthly premium. And after the completion of the premium term, he can receive a fixed amount determined by him every month for the next 15 years after completion of the payment term. And unfortunately, if there is a death happening during the premium payment term, there is a compensation of 25% paid immediately, and the nominees will receive the fixed amount, which is called the benefit, right from then for the remaining 15 years. It's a very good product, and we have also very many products in the individual life insurance area, corporate group insurance products, and also for the poor people, the micro insurance area, and the business that happens through the two banks, our promoters, Bank of India and Union Bank of India, in the rural sector is all covered by our company for the insurance cover of the poor people. And it's our principle that we should make insurance reach the poor people who cannot really afford it, but who really require it. So that's the reason with which we have introduced a lot of group insurance micro products, and we are very happy to be here to launch this new product for the public. Thank you.